In Facebook Messenger, you have the option to ignore messenger messages from the people that you are not connected with or from individual you don't want to engage with immediately. For that, you have to launch the Messenger app on your phone and you have to navigate to the conversation from where you want to ignore the conversation here. So once you are on this conversation here, you can see the ignore option. So you can just go for the ignore option. So once ignore, the conversation will be moved to the message request section and you won't get the notification for the new message for that from that person. So here you have to just go for the three line and go for the message request here. So once you are on the message request, you can see the spam here. You have to just go for the spam and you will find the ignore messages here like this. So if you want to unignore the message in Facebook Messenger, you have to go to the find spam. You have to go to the spam and find this ignore conversation here, just like this. After finding the ignore conversation, you have to send the message to them, and you can unignore the conversation, which will move back to your main inbox. So this way, you can easily ignore and unignore message in Messenger. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.